It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. I'm enjoying a wonderful bottle of Gloucester Andeca Hells, which is 4.8% ABV, and it looks like this. Look how stunning that looks in the glass. All the way from Germany. Smells great. Tastes wonderful. But whilst I was drinking it, my stomach grumbled a little bit and I was like, ooh, I'm getting a bit hungry. So I thought, what I'll do, I'll finish the review of the Gloucester Andex. Check that out if you want to. But then I will incorporate the beer with a pie. I went in the freezer. I've always got pies in the freezer. Pie and a pint. Look, there's a pie and a pint in the picture. This is from Tesco. It's a Tesco Finest tender steak and ale all butter pastry pie. Ignore the date. It was a reduced. It did cost £4.10, and that it cost me £2.87 because I picked it up on a yellow sticker deal in Tesco. And I tend to, what I do is that I see these yellow stickers, I just bung it in the freezer. I'll buy something like that and I'll bung it in the freezer and job done, job done. There's some crumbly bits that have fallen off. Do you know what happens when a pie becomes slightly old? It gets moved about, doesn't it? It gets moved to the yellow sticker aisle. And then when they do that, they're a bit heavy-handed. They sort of throw it in the yellow sticker aisle, that sort of thing. So you always end up with a slightly damaged product. You can always, what I do is that sprinkle a topping that's come off. I sprinkle it back on the top. There's a look at it. How long does it go in an oven for? I've got a gas oven. So 25 minutes from chilled, gas mag 6. So I'll put it in the oven, 250 grams. Was a £4.10 pie. What, £4.10 pie? I got it for £2.87. Let's cook it up, see what we get. Right, okay, let's take a look at this pie from Tesco. Steak and ale, and with a butter knife. There's a look at it. So let's take the casing off. Whoa, bit of hot juice. Now, do I cut it down the middle or do I take the top off? I'm going to cut it down the middle for you. Look at that. Look at the knife. The knife. Look at that. Juicy pie. Steaming away. I sort of slow cooked it. I put it on about gas mag 4. I had a beer. I just left it in there. What I find when you slow cook a pie, you don't burn the lid. Nothing's like catching fire on you. Low and slow with a Tesco pie. Who would have thought it? Right, we got a bit of pastry around the back. So let's first of all, let's get into that little bit of pastry. A little bit floury, a little bit doughy, slightly crispy, pretty good. What I will say though, unless I lift up that, right, I'm going to lift the lid on this, literally lift the lid. So there's your meat content. That's what you're getting. How much is there? You've seen it before me. It's not bad. It's not bad meat content, is it? Let's get the lid in. Butter, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's... I could probably review the pie lid on its own. It's just crusty butter, which is... Who doesn't like that? Right, we're going to see... I'll tell you what we'll do. Being a steak and ale pie, how many big pieces of steak do you get in this pie? Well, there's a great big bit there which we're going to stick on the pie lid. We're going to pick it up. Oh, it's fallen off. Hang on, I'll get it back on. Right, there we go. So, bit of buttery pie lid. And probably the largest little bit of steak in the pie, which is about an inch thick. No fat, no gristly bits, just proper bits of steak. And that pie lid, you can taste it on the end, you can taste that butter. Yeah, it's a cracking pie, this. Okay, originally, it would have cost you £4.10. On offer at £2.87. On offer, a yellow sticker deal. I think that's where it sits. I know we can probably argue if you went to a pub and had a pie and a pint, it'd cost you the best part of 15 quid and blah blah blah, but I think in most people's heads they have an idea of what they want to pay for something. And I think when you see a pie at £4.10, even though it's a great pie, it's a stunningly great pie, there's that initial like, it costs £4.10. When I seen this on the yellow sticker, there was no problem. It just flew in the trolley. In this day and age, it's probably worth £4.10. In fact, I'm going to say more than probably, it is worth £4.10. It's just, we get stuck in this sort of inflationary, like, I know what I want to pay for something. Like, for me, for example, I still think Doritos should be £1 a bag. Doritos were £1 a bag for 200 grams of crisps for years and years and years. 4 pints of milk cost £1 for years and years and years. But things do go up. And I think for the first, as long as your wages are going up, as long as you can afford it, that's the main thing. But I think if you have a steak and ale pie that's £4.10 and it's half-hearted, which this isn't, then it wouldn't be worth it. But I'm going to say it is. It is worth it. I am going to rate it, and I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. I hope you liked the video. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.